This is the KitchenAid fresh prep slicer and shredder with the attachments that you see here on the picture. That's what's inside. It is for stand mixers, which I don't think I need to tell you a lot of words for KitchenAid stand mixer because they are just perfect as they are. Okay, here you would see the booklets that come with them, how to use it, where to use it, how to apply it. Everything is laid out really nice, including how to clean them, because it's not always clear on how to clean stuff sometimes, but with KitchenAid, fortunately enough, they actually go the extra mile to include even that kind of information. Let me take it out of the box really quick. Yes, it's been used before because I obviously use it, but here's the lever that you would release the shredder rotating tool. This is one of those that, for example, you would use for cheese, and to lock it back in, you just push in like that and keep an eye at the lever while I push it. Boom. This lever moves, so now it's attached in place and it's not coming out. And here, as you see, the pushers are trying to come out because they want to show themselves to you. Of course, there's two pushers, one small and one big. The big one is if you put stuff that's, for example, the exact mouth size, something soft, probably, because you don't want to really overrun the motor of your stand mixer. You would go just with this one. There's a line right here, a groove here, and a line here that doesn't let you put it in the wrong direction. So there's only one way that it goes in, and it has this indentation right here to fit with the shape of the grinders. But when you put it right to the end, it never touches the actual grinder. That is a really nice, thoughtful design, as you see right there. So while pushing, you don't need to worry about it ever being on the way of the grinders or the shredders. And here's the tiny one that goes with it if you go ahead and want to chop or shred something that you want to block the air here or overflow. And this is pretty much the part right here. And if you ever want to clean it, it's very simple. You just take these two out, take this one out by itself. And no, these are not made for dishwashers, so do not put them on a dishwasher. These are hand wash only. And actually, it even says here, not dishwasher safe. Makes sense. Of course, there's plastic involved here. Now, what else do we have besides these two beautiful pieces? Well, we have the shredders themselves that are absolutely high quality, food grade plastic, obviously, but it's from that high quality plastic. Not the cheapo flimsy stuff at all. These are stainless steel. That's where the cheese, for example, or vegetables would be grated and come out through here. That's the medium one. This is the small one that will shred it even finer, especially if you want to do cheese, I don't know, maybe for pizza or pasta, Parmesan cheese. If you buy blocks of Parmesan, I would suggest you go with this one. And besides those two, you have a third, which would be the slicer. Yes, it does a really, really good job at cutting stuff. Yes, I've even done it with potatoes, with cucumbers, with whatnot that you can fit on the mouth there. And it just makes the perfect cuts every single time. And really high quality, as I said, in all of them. High quality stainless steel. These are not a joke by any means. Obviously, it's coming from KitchenAid. I've never seen KitchenAid cheap materials. I'm not getting paid by KitchenAid, by the way. They did not send this for review. I bought them with my own money. But yes, in my kitchen, it's only KitchenAid when it comes to accessories and tools, because they've proven themselves to be the greatest and highest quality that a human can use, especially for home kitchens. And yes, they're used in restaurants as well. And as I told you, this is the safety lever. You can push it with a safety lever, or you can just push it without it. It goes in place and it does not fall apart at all. To put them back, just don't forget to put this part right here. It goes only in one way, of course. Goes down right here. You put this cover right here. It has the hole to go over the safety lever. And it's packed, really premium packing. Just stop for a moment to actually appreciate the length they went to package all this stuff as if it were some very expensive clock or something. I appreciate that. I really appreciate when companies take the extra mile to let you know that you are dealing with a premium product inside here. Very, very much a big win in my book. And yes, this is the KitchenAid Fresh Prep Slicer and Shredder Stand Mixer Attachment. And yes, if you need it in French or other languages, you just flip the case in the other side. And with that said, this was my view and review of the KitchenAid Fresh Prep Slicer and Shredder. And obviously I will keep using KitchenAid probably forever in my kitchen because I have no reason to change it to anything else besides the highest quality that there is.